Hi everyone. So after we've explored the basic features of the Vistorian, we would like to proceed and explore more about the features we provide through Vistorian, what we call Vistorian Lab. The Vistorian Lab is a tool that allows you to capture your progress by creating bookmarks and capture the state of your networks. You can do this by activating it and turning on the toggle button by clicking on toggle button turning it on. A consent form will be shown. You can read more about it and explore and understand what we're actually doing through our research. We have two options, either to cancel and stop showing any of the features that the Vistorian Lab provides, or by clicking Enable Bookmarks and Login. For your information, that by doing this, you're enabling also the login process where we log your interactions with the Vistorian. We don't log any of your personal information or keep record any of your own data. We're just logging your interactions with the Vistorian for research purposes. So when you click on enabling bookmarks and logging, the bookmarks pane will be showing, and then you can play with it by clicking Add New. Before this, we could like to explore more about other features. You can email us and consult, report a technical bug, import or export bookmarks, and this one enables you to exchange your bookmarks with your friends. Show hide my session, you know more about this, or create bookmarks. For now, I'll just minimize it, and then I'll just put some of the features provided here. So changing the timeline selection, having automatic, the opacity, playing here as read, the timeline, ordering them by connections, and as well with playing with the map. And for here, with degree, I put this places somewhere else, changing the zoom. And then we could maximize it again and create a new bookmark. So I'll just add a new bookmark. I'll add a label. So let's say, for example, my first bookmark, exploring networks. And then you can classify it according to your goal or purpose. So either choose analyze data and then choose any of those sub options, or learn, demo, text and explore, discuss finding, report an issue, or other, where you can describe your other type. This is the only thing that we are currently logging from the bookmark, just to know what are the main usage of this tool. So just for example, say we're testing and exploring the Vistorian as bookmark. So we are here creating. So by clicking on here, expanding, you can now see our first bookmark. You can delete it or do any of the changes and save it. Then I'll just play more about here, changing the timeline, hiding it, for example, changing the gap, changing the timeline selection as well. Record, minimize on this, changing overlap, and then here as well, changing the maximizing again and add my second. Can add your own notes on that, demo to others. Now currently we have these two bookmarks. You can see from here, you can play with this one by minimizing or changing any of your reviews. So by clicking on the restore state, you can change between the views that you have. So by clicking on this, restoring it to the previous one, and then here, as well as changing it back. So this helps you to restore and go further than back. You can as well export it to share it with your friends, export bookmarks, and give it the name, for example, Vistorian bookmarks, and I'd like to say it, for example, here, desktop, to send it to some of your friends or colleagues in order to explore. Hello, everyone. So to continue from here, after creating those two bookmarks showing the title, the date, and time has been created, we can toggle between the restore button to see the difference between those two views. So if we go, for example, to the matrix, and you can see here that all the changes have been saved. We can export this by clicking on the export bookmark, as we have done already, or you can click on the import bookmarks. So it will say here and show that you have we're going to overwrite your existing bookmarks. So just click on cancel. Just to try it, we'll create all bookmarks and import a new set of bookmarks that we have created earlier. So we can here see a large number of bookmarks that I've created and prepared earlier. We can toggle between the views by clicking on bookmarks for the correct visualization. So I'll just expand them to see what's happening. And we can now play with local bookmarks and see what's happening. This applies on all types and sorts of bookmarks that we have earlier. So if you can see here that the bookmarks here are not as here, so we can just click on bookmark installation or bookmark. If it doesn't show, we just need to refresh our page and see what's happening. Now all bookmarks are reflected correctly. If it shows only bookmark current visualizations empty, this means that in this current view, we don't have any bookmarks. We have exported the ones that we have created earlier. The matrix, and this is the data view. In the data view, we won't be able to create any bookmarks as it doesn't have any state to be hold or stored. If you're listening